I'm in a paradise, beautiful seaside with a lot of rubbish. It's very calm right over here. I can share with you some of the sea breeze. In front the island is either Redang or Perhentian, but I can see a lighthouse over there. Okay, let's go to this place. Ignore the rubbish. I'm at this resort now. Beware of falling coconut. But first I need to ring the bell over here. Hopefully someone will open the gate for me, then I can go in. If you're not staying there, you have to park your car outside and then you have to go from this entrance to go in. Okay, thank you. And check out this, it's called Terrapuri. It's a hotel and it's also a place you can visit to have a tour around. The reception is just right over here, and all these are the houses they actually moved from Kuala Terengganu to rebuild right over here. Currently, I'm just having a little tour about the compound, and all these are the guest room place, and all the houses they have their own name from the villages they came from. It's like this house is called Nibong, it's from Kampung Nibong. This is one of the rest house. You can actually play some board game over here. And the kaka was telling me most of the houses, they have their own story, but she have got no idea what story they are. Some of the houses are still on renovation now. Unfortunately, for visit, I am not allowed to go inside the house to take a look how the rooms looks like. But maybe one day that I will come and stay over here. It is very calm, very peaceful. It's a place for you to relax your mind. The beach is just a few steps away. And this small house is not for you to live inside. It's actually act like a store. So long times ago, the people they actually take all the rice, they keep inside as a storeroom, and then they just keep their thing inside as well. So one of the biggest house is somewhere around there. I will try to show you later. This is a swimming pool. It looks very good, and the high-rise one is a restaurant. And then I was told that last time at night time they actually can go somewhere behind. There is a place you can see a lot of the fireflies. I'm not sure whether I can use a swimming pool though, because if I can use a swimming pool, I would love to rest right over here a little bit. Then I'll go to the hot spring. There's a hot spring nearby called La Hot Spring. It's a very funny name. But anyway, I will chill here. I will take a nap here because I woke up quite early in the morning for the hiking. Then after the rest, I will go to hot spring. Yeah. By right, they have a spa and massage. Unfortunately, again, the spa and the massage is closed due to the occupancy is not so high right over here. Coming in to visit this village, you have to pay 25 ringgit per person. Then the entrance fee will cover some refreshment. I'm not sure what fruit is this, but it's called seaside pandan leaf. And then it's quite calm to walk around here. I would say really stay here for 1 or 2 nights. It's gonna be very cool. And this is the bread fruit, you know, bread, the one you eat in breakfast or anytime. The bread tree. And the biggest room I was told is somewhere around here. But it looks almost the same size to me though. So I will walk around and take some photo. So if you would like to have a very cool zen, how to say, recharge stay, this is a nice hotel for you. There is a meeting room over here, but I would like to show you what is inside the reading room. And at least this is some place that I can go inside to show you how the building looks like. Wow, no light at the moment. It's not locked. Perfect. So here's the reading room. No air conditioning. And this is a traditional Malay game called Congkak. So you have to just take this and then you just play. Okay, then you take and you just take and it just put until you can't get any, then you lose. It's a very good game to kill time. And then I will show you how inside over there. This is the only two high-rise building in this compound, and you can go out to have food or have drinks, and then it looks like this. So if you love architecture, all these things, this is a very nice place for you. You can see a lot of very beautiful details, and then this place is not high enough to capture everything. Yeah. It is very calm right over here. I don't know why, once I enter to Terengganu, I feel that it's a very peaceful place, very calm. It's a nice place for you to relax your mind. I will keep walking around, take photo, and today the weather is very good. I have a lots of nice photo. Yeah, then I'll wait for Kakak to prepare my refreshment. Then I will go to hot spring. Here's the refreshment by if you pay 25 ringgit for the entrance fee to visit the hotel. Yeah, I know, right? Wow, very, very sweet. I waited quite a while, about 15 minutes for the kakak to prepare the refreshment. I have no idea what cracker it is, so $25, 25 ringgit, you get tour around the hotel, you get this. Oh wow, this is very unique. I never tasted something like this before. It have a very great aroma, very nice smell. And then when you walk around, you see some cats, you see a lot of things. It's quite nice. Oh, thank you, Kaka. And then you get the receipt for this 25 ringgit. So I hope you like the video, and I hope you'll stay here. I think visit wise you can skip lah, but it's very calm to stay here. I can just like close my eye. That's a cat. Hey meow, meow, meow. Oh meow meow. Hey meow. Let me show you the cat. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, with that, I'm gonna say goodbye now. Goodbye.